Then go on the road. Don't play with it. Play with the cockatoo. It's cute.
Er is toch zelenig lekker.
Maybe.
Maar dit is goed, zit er weg.
Thing is hungry. Might need a cracker or something. He's hungry. Looking for food. Hey? Can't get in there.
What you got in there? Come on, you got something in there.
Likes his shoes. Grab your shoes.
Let's rub on the shoe. My whole shoe is rubber.
He's very inquisitive. Oh my god, it's got a red tail. To do червено долта. Аз стига. Сега от тях кацна на... Снимай го. Funnies. Get down. Oh my god, I was trying to open the door. He's trying to open the door.
When we arrived, it was pulling the rubber around the roof rack of a fancy Land Rover.
Oh.
Like a brand new looking Land Rover.
He likes to
The
play with
most
something.
expensive car and it's crashing it.
Get out of here. He's like, what the? He's chasing him.
I don't think he likes being told what to do. Good luck getting in your car every day.
Now he's on the other car. On every roof.